2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. What the customer wanted with this was a add-on remote start feature. So what we've done is we've done the Viper DS4 remote start to this vehicle. Now this will operate through the existing key. So what happens is I'm now going to, while the vehicle's locked, I'm going to press the lock button 3 times in quick succession. And what you'll see is we'll get an indication and then the vehicle will start. Now this system is using obviously our additional equipment but tied into the vehicle. This uses a specific wiring loom to tie in and operate with this vehicle. Now at any time I can use the existing key fob again, and if I press that 3 times again in quick succession, what will happen is the engine will die. Now in addition to using the existing key fob, what we've actually got is an add-on feature where the customer can use an app. So what happens with this is we have got the facility, which I'll just show you now. So we have an app on the phone. Now the app on the phone will give us some additional features. So it will give us the facility to be able to unlock the vehicle. As you can see there, we've got indication. It will give us the ability to unlock the vehicle. It will also give us the facility to be able to remote start the vehicle, which if I press this button here, I will be able to remote start the vehicle. And also stop the vehicle, which is quite cool. So again, you can press that and that will command the information to the vehicle. But then in addition to this, this will give us a facility to be able to open the boot or the trunk. There is an additional command just to stop you doing that. And now you can see the trunk is actually opening. And it will also allow us to close the trunk via the same app operation. There we got the trunk closing. So guys, for further information and adding on additional cool toys onto your vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.